Hello, I'm Laurie and I'm a Digital Collections trainee at Colchester and Ipswich Museums. During my work improving records in our social history collection, I came across a notebook from the 19th century full of handwritten recipes by a person called Anne Smith. I'm going to recreate Anne's raspberry ice cream, as she did, without the aid of a freezer. Let's get started. The ingredients I'll be using are ice to freeze the cream, salt to keep the ice cold, strained raspberry jam for flavour, and most importantly, cream. Anne says to use a spoon, a frozen pot, but I'll be using a drinks mixer, a pail, but I'll be using a bread bin, and finally, a coarse cloth. I will start by preparing my ice by breaking it up with a hammer, placing it into the pail and adding salt with each layer. Once I've put a cup of cream and a spoonful of jam in the frozen pot, I will place it in the pail and stir the cream. When the cream begins to curdle, I will close the lid and leave it to freeze. After about 3 hours, my ice cream is ready. Time to plate up and taste. It tastes pretty good. You don't have to use raspberry jam. Anne says it's very nice to simply add dried breadcrumbs. I hope you've enjoyed watching me make ice cream the 19th century way.